So we are outside 1071 Thyme Walkway in San Jose, and this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2006 square feet home. It is the end unit, and as you can see here, you have these wraparound balconies and you have extra windows due to the fact that it is an end unit. The home is north facing and facing the park and the clubhouse. So you have your barbecue area here, and you can rent the clubhouse for events. And you can see on the architecture elevation of the house, it's a brick elevation, and the doors are rounded, which is a nice feature. And we just entered. In the front of us we have the door to the garage, and I'm going to show you a few of the highlights here. So you can see the beautiful upgraded tile flooring. And we are going into the downstairs bedroom. It's a spacious bedroom. That has a wrap-around balcony. You can see the outside trees. And it has a closet with closet organizers. Like all of the closets in this beautiful home has closet organizers. And the downstairs bedroom has its own bathroom, which I will give you a peek into here. So you have here the shower over tap, and you have your vanity, and you have your ceramic tiles and espresso cabinets. You will see that throughout the house. So this is the downstairs bedroom with the full bath and a closet space. Next to the downstairs bedroom, we have the wash and the dryer, and also the wash and the dryer have organizers, cabinets. And from here we are going just right into the garage. It is a 2-car side-by-side garage, finished painted, and tankless water heater. Before we are leaving the downstairs, I'm going to show you the extra storage under the stairs. Here we go. So it can also be called the Harry Potter room. As you can see, the front door is rounded, which is another exclusive feature of this house. It has also a brick exterior. So let's go upstairs. Okay, so we are now in the great room, And the exceptional value of this house are the extra windows. It has a wraparound balcony, which is also a unique feature. Also, the downstairs bedroom has a wraparound balcony. And you can see these extra windows. You will also have extra windows in the master. This is a corner unit, and that explains the extra light that we have here. You have a beautiful hardwood flooring. From the living area, we are taking a peek into the dining area and the kitchen. So before we are entering into the kitchen, we have another coat closet under the stairs, extra storage. There is plenty of storage in this home. And here is the kitchen. You have a stainless steel refrigerator, and you have a pantry. Let me show you the pantry. Here you go. Plenty of space. Up and down. The flooring in the kitchen and in the pantry is the ceramic tile. The countertops are granite, which was also an upgrade. And you have plenty of counter space. You have a stainless steel microwave and range, gas. And you can see the espresso cabinets. There is plenty of light in the house because of being a corner unit. So you have lots of cross ventilation, but if that is not enough, you have your dual AC. So you have a large dining area, and you have your living area with your TV. Let me show you. We are in bedroom number 2, and this bedroom has a large closet with closet organizers. All bedrooms are going to have these closet organizers. Bedroom number 2, or 3, we should say. Bedroom number 3. Also closet organizers. You have linen closet here. You have up linen closet and you have one down. Okay. And here is your bathroom, that the 2 bedrooms upstairs are sharing this bathroom. The master has its own, and then you have here shower over tap. And now we are entering into the master. So this is your master bedroom. You have these 2 windows that you see in the back are because it is a corner unit. There is a lot of space for bed and if you want an armchair or a desk. And from here we are going into the master bath, and the bath has a privacy door here. I'm closing the door and I'm opening the door. You have your standing stall shower, and you have a sunk-in tub. So you have a separate shower, a sunk-in tub, and you have your dual vanity. And you can see the beautiful cabinets. And there is a walk-in closet here also. Let me show you. Here you have your large walk-in closet, also with organizers. Secondary bath. We're passing through the linen closet. We pass through bedroom number, we can say number 2 here, because master is number 1, so this would be bedroom number 2. Then you have bedroom number 3 here. Okay, and this is the view of your garage. And you can see that it's very spacious. You have extra parking close by your home. And even if your neighbor decides to get out at the same time, you don't have an issue. And you even have where you see the cars parked, you have a dog run. So if you have a pet, you can just walk down and do what you have to do. Here is another sitting area. Everything is surrounding the clubhouse. And now we just walked. You can see the house in the back, and we just walked on the grass. And are now approaching the bocce ball area. And if you feel like playing chess, you have it already here on the table. And in front of us we have a playground area. So let me show you a little bit closer to the bocce ball area. And I will take you down to the play area. So this is a little play area which will be perfect for your toddler and just to sit and relax. And you can see that the community is it has lots of green areas. And if this is not enough, you are very close, minutes away from Flickinga Park and Commodore Park. The HOA in the community is only 163, so you have a lot of green areas for a very low HOA.